Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will talk to you about the topic beyond engineering. All of you know about engineering after 12th physics, chemistry and mathematics. Lot of children when come to me after getting stuck with their 12th subject selection tend to ask this question, is there something beyond engineering we can do? In today's video, I shall only talk about things beyond engineering. I will talk to you about 100 plus degree programs which you can do after finishing physics, chemistry, mathematics in grade 12. Also, I will share with you a top secret of physics, chemistry and mathematics. Hold on to your chair. And the 100 degree programs which I am going to talk to you about today will be spread across 21 science and non-science higher education verticals after 12th, which will open to each one of you. So let's begin this session. This session is suitable for parents and students who are pursuing Science A group, that is the combination of physics, chemistry and mathematics in class 11 or 12. Let me start with sharing with you a top secret of Science A group. 80% plus children who are studying physics, chemistry and mathematics in grade 11 normally are comfortable with physics and mathematics but have discomfort with chemistry. And I'm sure majority of you would be resonating with what I am saying. Let us understand the reason behind it. Mathematics and physics both fall under numerical, mathematical, analytical, logical aptitude bent, and the other two science subjects, that is biology and chemistry, they fall under linguistic, theoretical, subjective and rote-oriented aptitudinal bent. If in your case, one set of aptitude is higher than the other, this problem is bound to come. Don't worry. Best part is this problem can be overcome also. If you are struggling with chemistry, just spend twice the time in that subject as what you are spending today. You will see within 3 months your comfort with that subject is going to go up and you will start getting equivalent marks across your all three subject areas, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics. I will talk to you about 7 higher education verticals. Obviously, as the title says, beyond engineering. In these sciences domain, which include agricultural sciences, architecture, computer applications and computer sciences, defense forces, pure sciences, planning and rehabilitation sciences, which is open to PCM students. Also, I will talk to you about 14 alternate higher education verticals, which include arts, business management, commerce and finance, design and fine arts, economics, hotel management, humanities, law, liberal studies, mass communication, performing arts, social sciences, sports and physical education, and vocational studies. Across these 21 verticals, I will share with you the degrees which are available, and those degrees are open to every child who is finishing physics, chemistry, mathematics in grade 11 and 12. Let us start with agricultural sciences. BSc with specialization in agriculture, sericulture, forestry, home science, community science, food, nutrition and dietetics are some of the traditional degree programs. Some of the new age programs in the same domain include BSc in natural farming, BSc in ornamental farming, BSc in apiculture, BSc in hydroponics farming and so on. So a lot of options are there in agricultural sciences which one can pursue after PCM. Second, in architecture, I club 3 degrees. One is traditional Bachelor of Architecture, which is a 5-year program. Also, you can go for Bachelor of Interior Design and Bachelor of Urban Design, known as BUD. Coming to computer application and sciences, one can go for a BSc in computer sciences or information technology. Also, which is generally a 3-year program. Also, there is a 4-year BSc honors program available. There is a program known as BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, and there are integrated degrees in both these domains, that is BSc plus MSc integrated as well as BCA plus MCA integrated. If you look at computer sciences and applications, the way it has been evolving, there are more than 63 specializations which are available today at the bachelor's level. Few of them, for your information, could be artificial intelligence, augmented reality and virtual reality, automation and robotics, blockchain, cloud computing, computer networks, cyber security, data analytics, DevOps, digital forensics, game design and development, graphics and animation, Internet of Things, machine learning, networking, web design, etc. I have given you just a snapshot so that your mind is in a position to process what kind of specializations today exist in the domain of computer sciences and applications. Coming to the next vertical, that is defense forces, there are three kind of degree programs available. It could be a BA, BSc or a BE degree. To get into defense forces after PCM, there are broadly two entry processes. Either you can go through the process of appearing in NDA, that is National Defense Academy and Naval Academy exam, and or there is also a new entry scheme for Indian Army known as 10+2 technical entry scheme. Through that scheme, if you have scored 70% marks in grade 12, physics, chemistry, mathematics, you can directly apply where you can forego the examination of NDA and straight away you will be called for an SSB and the due procedure will follow. Coming to planning, two kinds of degrees, either a BE or a BTech in planning is available. Also, there is a B-Plan degree available, which is a 4-year degree program. For BE and BTech, as all of you know, you have to appear for the same or similar entrance exams which are required for engineering. But for a B-Plan degree, many institutions might also take admission based on 12th marks. Coming to pure sciences, you all know about traditional BSc 3-year program or a BSc Honours 4-year program. There is a newer program known as BSc Honours Research. It ends with the word R at the finish. Also, there are degrees like B-Stat, B-Math or an integrated BSc MSc program. In pure sciences, again there are more than 30 different specializations. Few of them, just for your reference, could be anthropology, applied physical science, biochemistry, bioinformatics, botany, chemistry, biomedical sciences, environmental sciences, fire and safety, forensic sciences, filmmaking, geology, genetics, life sciences, mathematics, nautical sciences, physics or zoology. These are some of the areas in pure sciences which you can join after PCM. Coming to the last of the sciences order is rehabilitation sciences. If you want to get into areas like prosthetics and orthotics, special education and rehabilitation sciences, then any child with PCM is allowed to join that area. You can get into rehabilitation sciences area. Coming to the start of the 14 non-science verticals which are open to the PCM children. The first is arts. You can go for a traditional 3-year BA or a futuristic 4-year BA honors program where you could go for specializations like animation and visual effects, dance, digital media, graphic design, fashion design, film studies, fine arts, home science, music, performing arts, theatre studies or visual communication. Next is business management where you could go for a BBA or a BBA honors program. Also in certain states, the name of this degree is different and it's known as BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies, or it could be a BBS, Bachelor of Business Studies. And there is an integrated 4-year IMBA program also and an integrated 5-year BBA plus MBA program also. This again is open to any child after PCM. In business management, as on day, there are more than 47 different specializations. Few of them, for your reference, could be in agribusiness and sustainability, aviation management, branding and entrepreneurship management, business analytics, business economics and management, computer-aided management, digital marketing, event management, healthcare, logistics, management and artificial intelligence, project management, etc. Next, we come to a degree in commerce and finance. Traditionally, most of the students who wished to go for commerce were expected to have studied accountancy at grade 11-12 level. But now there are a lot of private universities where even if you have studied mathematics in grade 11 and 12, which as a PCM student you've already studied, you still are open to get into a program like BCom, BCom Honors, BCom Professional, BBA in Finance, or a BSc in Finance kind of a program. In commerce, as on day, there are more than 50 different specializations which are available. Few of them, for your reference, could be accounts and finance, auditing and taxation, banking and financial analysis, business and accounting analytics, capital markets, corporate accounting practices, e-commerce, financial analytics, stock market analytics, international accounting and finance, professional accounting, strategic finance, etc. Next, we come to the degrees in design and fine arts. There are multiple type of degrees which are available. That could be fine art, visual art, applied art, creative art. Also, there could be a BDes, that is Bachelor of Design, or a BA Honors in certain specialization of design, Bachelor of Vocation in certain specialization of design, or a BSc program in certain specialization of design. In design, there are more than 80 different specializations which are available, and just for your reference, few of them could be related to accessory design, apparel design, automobile and transportation, ceramic and glass, communication, fashion design, footwear design, furniture design, game design, graphic design, industrial design, interaction design, jewelry design, knitwear design, product design, space design, visual and communication design, etc. Next, we come to economics. Two kinds of degrees available in economics could be a BA Honors, which could be a traditional 3-year or a 4-year program. Also, there could be a BSc in economics, which is available. Next is hotel management. In hotel management, again, there could be multiple specializations like hotel management, hospitality and hotel administration, hotel management and catering technology, culinary arts, travel and tourism management, and so on. Again, based on the specialization, there are different nomenclatures. It could be BHM, BSc, BHMCT, BTTM, BA Honors, or a BBA. Next, we come to humanities. In humanities, traditional 3-year BA or a futuristic 4-year BA Honors, specializations could include ancient Indian culture, archaeology and museology, foreign language, history, Indian language, linguistics, philosophy, or yoga education. Next, we come to law. There are 6 degrees which are approved by the Bar Council of India, that include a BA LLB, BB LLB, BCom LLB, BSW LLB, BSc LLB, or a BTech LLB. But as on day, BTech LLB is one degree which is not available for or not on offer with any of the universities. Next, we come to liberal studies. I hope all of you know about liberal studies. It's a new age programs which are more exploratory in nature. So, depending upon your majors, you could get a BA Honors, a BCom Honors, a BBA Honors, or a BSc Honors final degree as part of your program finishing. Next is mass communication. Just like hotel management, in mass communication also you could specialize in multiple areas, could be journalism, mass media, journalism and mass communication, journalism and filmmaking, and so on. The degrees could be BA, BMC, BMM, BJMC, BSc, or an integrated BAMA or a MJMC kind of a degree program which you can get in mass communication area. Next is performing arts. Performing arts you can do through a Bachelor of Fine Arts, a Bachelor of Performing Arts, or a BA degree where you could specialize in music, dance, or theatre. Next is physical education and sports. In that, you can do a BA or a BA Honors, BBA, BCom, BSc, or you could also go for a 4-year BPES, that is Bachelor of Physical Education and Sports degree, which is available for students after any 12th stream. Coming to social sciences, again, there is a BA or a BA Honors program. There are more than 45 different specializations within the domain of social sciences. Few of them, for your comfort, I have listed includes anthropology, applied psychology, criminology and criminal justice, developmental studies, education, gender studies, geography, global affairs, human rights, legal studies, political science, psychology, public administration, rural studies, social work, sociology, sustainable development, and women's studies, etc. And lastly, the 14th of the non-science domain includes vocational studies. In vocational studies, there are more than 90 different specializations, which could range from engineering oriented to lifestyle oriented, design oriented, law oriented, hospitality, hotel management and travel tourism oriented, and so on. The degree which you get, it could be a BA or a BA honors or a Bachelor of Vocation, BVOC kind of a degree program. How to choose the right degree option comes as the biggest question. Well, my first advice is don't listen to everyone. Listen to only those people who have a genuine concern with you and have got certain observation about you as a candidate. Second, to scientifically assess yourself, you need to get your 4 quarters assessed. And what are those 4 quarters? They are your orientation, aptitude, personality, and interest. To know more about these 4 quarters in detail, you can go through the 4-quarter video link which I have put in the description, and I'm sure it is going to give you a beautiful self-assessment methodology to choose which is the right degree ahead. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for this channel to get more career-related insights. Also, give me a comment on which futuristic career you wish to know more about, and maybe in the next video, it is all about your dream career. Thank you very much. Stay connected. Till then, goodbye.